So, you have a deadline or something that you have to get done. Unfortunately, you've waited until the last minute to even get started or get finished. Maybe this sounds like yourself, or perhaps it reminds you of somebody in your life. Procrastination is a widespread dilemma, and it's certainly not going away anytime soon. Let's face it, it's sometimes just human nature to put things off until it's far too late. Now, having said that, let me ask you a question. What if you could utilize procrastination to your advantage as a means for not only getting people inspired, but also generating traffic for your website or business? Well, with this brand new graphics package, you can easily do just that. Introducing the 100 procrastination-based social poster quote images package. By now, you've probably noticed these rather viral quote images being shared on social networks, websites, blogs, and all around the internet. It's no secret or surprise that these images have the potential to drive tons of traffic and also create a highly effective viral traffic snowball asset for you. With this social posters package, you'll have an entire toolkit of these quote images you can use. Better yet, you'll also receive all 100 editable PSD source files so that you can change any aspect of these images that you want. All you have to do is download these social posters and start posting them everywhere you can. People will see them and start sharing the images just because they can relate to the message in it. This allows you to plant the viral seed and skip all of the hard work and heavy lifting. View the previews for the posters, all of the details, and grab your copy below.